Yep, they're related. 1058, just like 1158, just like last time. Just like last time. It's official.
Emergency alert system equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado, flood, evacuation, toxic release, or any emergency that you, the public, should be timely alerted, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves as a vital part of the Louisiana State Emergency Alert System. This concludes this test of the Emergency Alert System.
It is now official that they always test at 11:58. And also,
throughout the week 6 to 11.
we have a tropo.
Sunday, Friday. High tide 8 p.m. Friday. It was mostly cloudy. Weather conditions around the It was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 65 at Charleston, 70 at Florence, and 69 at Columbia. It was cloudy with a temperature of 66 at Myrtle Beach, 66 at Kingstree, and 65 at North Myrtle Beach. At Conway, 68, Myrtle. Transmitting on a frequency Tuesday, north 62 degrees, 5 to 15 knots. Office in Newport, North Carolina. Day night, 9, and the sea water temperature was 63. At Frying Pan Shoals buoy, the wind was southeast at 4 knots. Water temperature was...
And we also have a tropo, and it's now midnight.